I just clipped Fig and Baron's nails totally. Grace, I'm still working on. I've gotten 3 of her nails. Grace thinks it's a game and tries to bite me. But Fig fell asleep. So I got to do all Fig's really easy. Baron's wasn't hard either. But Fig's were hard because his white fur, I had to like see it in a certain light to do the nails. And it was actually not hard. And they never, I must not have heard them because Fig went to sleep. But I had to do something. I slept in here last night. And I woke up this morning, well, I woke up several times with them, like they jump on your face, they jump on your stomach, and then Fig and Grace like to get under the covers and wrestle. I look like, I don't even know what I look like because I have like 6 or 7 big scratches on my face, and then all down the back of one of my legs where they were wrestling against, there's just little bitty like punctures and scratches. And I just thought, oh my goodness. So I said, I'll try. And I tried on Baron first because Baron's always the easiest. But actually it turned out Fig was the easiest. Look, Fig is still asleep. I am in the process of seeing if Shira wants to come in. And I have Ham, which she loves. Because she was on the other side of the store and she kept hissing and like lunging at the door. But I think she would be better if she were in here with them and like she could smell them, because obviously I smell like them sometimes. Well, probably all the time. And I have Ham, which I don't give to them a whole bunch. But then these two came running over and they can't go outside. I'm not going to let them outside, so I can't open the door anymore because you know them, they'll run out. It's all right. Be gentle. Be gentle. Be gentle. Be gentle. Good girl. Good girl. Look. They don't know that the queen is in the room. It's so funny to me how Shira and Genji both have been in the room. Oh, Big notice. No, no, no. No, it's okay. He's okay. Shira started growling. It's all right. I know. They just want to play with you. No, no. He's all right. You cannot growl. You cannot growl. No, you'll have to go in your room. Come on. Behave. It's their playtime. Come on. No. No. He's all right. No. No. Okay, she is not doing as good as Genji, which I didn't figure she would. But as long as she stays put, I'm fine. There's Baron. No, he's all right. He's all right. No. You're okay. And they're not near. Oh, she's hissing. No. Here, look. No, come on. I think. I honestly do not know how much I filmed of that. I did get Shira in with the ham, and she got onto the cat tree. And the other ones came over, and she just started growling and hissing, and I was petting her. And then Fig, being Fig, came over to get onto the tower, and she made this awful noise, and then she jumped right on top of him. And of course, you know, I was not as calm as I should have been, because, you know, it's a kitten. Oh, and so I picked her up and put her in the bedroom, Shira. The kitten seemed to be fine though. Fig did run back to the bedroom, but I checked him all over. He doesn't have anything wrong with him. He doesn't seem to have been bothered by it. But she meant business. Like, Fig loves this plant, and I do not want him to eat it. Come on, out, out, out. Out, out, out. Oh, he smells the ham on my fingers. And this is what she does. She'll come and she'll lay on my chest, and she'll make me pet her forever and ever. Oh. I'm actually filming like this because I'm trying. Oh, okay. I want to get what her face looks like when she does this, but she's not cooperating. She's headbutting the camera. Oh, thank you. Look. Look. Okay. Have you been over there talking to Chica under the door? Yeah. Oh. You want me to let Chica in? Yeah? Okay.